Rightio, here we go. Under this cover is my BTD6. We're going to start her up and see if we can do some disking with this old girl. Right, here we go. This is the old girl. We'll check all the fluids and get the diesel line open, and then we might give her a start up, see how we're looking. Oh, we've got plenty of coolant in there. Do with a wee top up, but not too bad. Where's the oil? Check the oil. How are we looking? Be plenty of oil in there. Right, we'll come around the back here. You will turn on the fuel line, the old diesel. Make sure we've got plenty of fuel. Enough fuel to start, that's cool. Rightio, let's get this girl going. We have to put a bit of heat on for a bit. Normally give her a good 30 seconds or so. It's a bit colder at this time of the year, so we might give it a bit more. And then we'll give her a start. Guys. Oh, what's the go? For about a few months. We'll take it up the paddock now and we'll try and hook it onto some discs and we'll see if we can disc a paddock, eh? Disc this paddock here. It's the plan, and we'll see what we can do. Hook up the hydraulics and hit the jacket up, get it on the back, but we'll be right. We'll see how she goes. There we go. Disc in the paddock. There, girl. Just stick around the end here. Nice and slow. See what we can do. The old hoopers. The old bog disc.
Is it going good? Is it going good, Dad?